car. This is how we drive from Mars Communication. Yeah, I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change language of your Jeep Renegade. You see here we have in English, press the clutch fully. But in case if you have another language you want to put in English or you want to put in Spanish, how you can do that? So here we have many options. You can see, you have to find here more with this one. In more or whatever you have setting in your radio of car, go inside the setting. You have to find this option, display. Go inside display. In display you see languages. Hit this one, languages. In language you see many languages. I hit Spanish. You see is actualization in Spanish. Yeah, you see it's become Spanish now. So in the display of language here, in this option you can change whole the language of the car. You don't need to do anything else. So this is the way you can change language in your Jeep Renegade. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.